Sup people, welcome back to Rhys King's Game Channel. I'm Rhys King as always, and today we're on DeadBolt. Not talking about this guy, DeadPool. Hello, I'm DeadPool. Clearly the accent he has, got. Anyway, let's get back on where we left off, shall we? Yeah, okay. Yeah. I'm digging this vibe. Chicka chick blow and a chicka chick wow. Ooh, baby. Yeah, baby. So we're on number 1 of the zombies. Let's see how many levels we can smash out in this episode. Depends how fucking hard it is because... Wow. Is he walking on the ceiling? Dusk to dawn? That's amazing. How have they allowed that? Oh god. Well, that was over fast. Right, I've got a headhunter, we've got the hammer. Can I interact with these doors like I used to be able to? No, I don't think I can. How the fuck am I doing this? Right, yeah, so the headshot thing was good, but it wasn't good enough. So we're going to go with tactical SMG. We've got 30 rounds with this thing, plus we've got a laser fucking pointer, which is pretty cool. I wonder if they can see the laser pointer. Let's give it a go. So we've got a laser pointer, tactical as fuck. Alright, that'll take a few rounds. Yeah. Ooh-wee. It turns out this is not the most powerful of weapons. Maybe I just need to be a bit more tactical in how I use it, maybe? I don't know. Let's try. Not too bad. Come on. Alright, it's not too fucking bad at all. Double dealt with. Okay. Just him in here. Okay. 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 Everyone up here dealt with. Still got 2 rounds left on there. And then we use this. Yes. Now we just leave? We done? We don't even have to kill all the ones down there. Oh my god, we did it. I nearly knocked something over, that's what that was all about. Amazing. Alright, we got 1 mission done. It took me literally half an hour. Holy crap. God, this game is going to take me 10 years to complete. Right. Okay, we did good though. We did good. A fucking seizure warning. Right, we've got a tactical SMG. Let's see where this takes us. Oh god. Okay. Okay, let's go down here. Explode him. That's disgusting, isn't it? Right. He's gonna be like, oh no, you just had to shit. The stinker shit. Okay. Everyone's come over this side. They're all freaking their nuts. fuck. God. Shit. Right. No. Bollocks. Right. Let's go meet these people. Meet and greet on the toilet. Oh. Alright, toilet time. Yeah, I'm not going in there. Just so much going on. Ah. That's also the noise that people make when they're fucking killing donkeys. Right. Combat shotgun. Fucking combat shotgun is the sexiest motherfucker known to mankind. Oh, mate! Right, okay. I am actually starting to be doubtful whether I'm going to be able to do this in one episode, but we're going to have to just try our best here. Because, well, fuck, you know. Okay, now if we stay quiet, we can probably do this. Come on. Ah! Okay, we're doing okay. Ugh! Oh man. We've got to kill fucking... Okay, I managed to sneak into that toilet without the lady even noticing. Yep, that's the thing. Right. Oh, God, give me a fucking break, you massive fucking fuck. Apparently that's something you can do every time. Good news to me. Time today, motherfucker. What do I do next? Really feels like that. Like, what do I do next? Situation is very much there. Do I want all these motherfuckers running around? I think I do. Right. Next on the hit list is these guys then, I guess. Oh, fuck you, mate! Oh my god, we're fucking... Oh my god! I threw the hammer at fucking him, and he fucking... Oh my god! Oh god. Hey, can I just sneak in the toilet behind you? Thanks. Nice one. Stinks bad in here, you know, you should think about doing something about that. Yeah, sorry about that. Alright, yeah, well, fuck you. Okay, right. I'm losing my mind slightly. This is going to be, got to be the last attempt I'm giving this, because can't take it. No! Right, I'm gonna give it one more try. I got a plan. What the fuck? Oh well, that sucked. Okay, right, no. No, I know I keep saying it. But this legit is the plan. I just fucked up a little bit there, that's all. Okay, good. Go upstairs, wipe out this target, go here, grab this. Then we're going to go back down. We're going to wipe out these two motherfuckers down here. Because, you know, why not? Cool. That's good. They're all fucking freaking their shit out. Then go up here. Oh! Right. Okay. I've had to just breathe there for a second. Okay. It's so hard. I'm going to come back with a fresh mind for the next episode, but this is done for me today. I'm done with this today. Today, I'm done with this. So if you enjoyed this, smash the like button. If you want to support the series, if you want to come back up again, then make sure you do that. And guys, I love you. Can I have an air hug? Little air hug from you? Thank you. I feel better already. Touch the screen. No, don't. That's getting weird. Right, anyway, I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye. Should we burst straight into it like a fucking couple of bad boys? What's up, people? Welcome back to Rhys King TV channel. I'm Rhys King as always, and today Tom is licking the sky. That's going to be in there. And we are back on the podcast. Oh, no. Alright, we swirly whirled my moustache. Now surely the power has been infused into my skin. It worked.